Hi Isha, welcome to our show.
Thank you so much, Madhurita.
Okay. Tell me, your first movie did really well. Are you ready for your seconds?
Yes, very much. I'm really excited about it though. It's like a... it's just getting better and better. So, and expectations are rising. So more than excitement, I think it's the nervousness now that started to finally kick in. Like every morning I know, even if I have to wake up by 10 supposedly, I wake up by 6 with the fright. आज क्या नहीं किया मैंने, आज क्या करना है, and I start writing my diary and start checking, start calling managers, hyperactive, and I think by the night I like a guinea pig who's run enough now and just needs to sleep.
But you know, becoming an actress comes with a lot of other things also. Yeah. And have you figured that out and how to handle the entire thing of being a star, the stardom and all of that?
I'm not a star yet, so I have
stardom.
No idea.
It's going to come, it's going to come.
Yeah, but honestly, Madhurita, I don't know how it's going to change my life. You know, life still seems the same, pretty much the same, you know. Except that, yeah, now I've realized Jannat ke baad it was little bit, but now it's become a little more prominent where I'm walking down the road and people started recognizing me. The other day I was in a prominent mall in Bombay near my apartment, and my mother had come. So I told my driver, like, forget it, don't. And it's walking distance from my house. So I crossed the road and I reached and everyone was generally staring. So my mother is like, oh, Bombay mein bhi dekhte, you know, because it's a very different mindset. I'm like, no. So my mom is like, I think they recognize you. I'm like, are you mad? They don't recognize me. We entered the mall and everyone's like, picture, autograph. I could see my mother. She started crying.
You're getting there.
Yeah, she started crying and she's like, my God. She's like, so I think we should just enjoy this, whatever bit we can go out and eat. And I was like, yeah,
a little while longer. Yeah. But tell me, how are you handling the media? Do you know what to say, what not to say, how correct you should be? I'm sure you're trained in that by now.
No, not really, you know. Plus, I think the best thing is I've got a person like Mahesh sir in my life.
Yeah.
Whenever I get time, you know, whether it was after Jannat, during Raz, now, or even after this, I just sit with him. He's a man of knowledge. He knows a lot of things which I don't know about. And especially he's been long enough in the industry. And I'm such a person, I don't think I've learned the art of diplomacy or anything as such.
Not yet.
Not yet, I should say.
But is he like on a quick dial, like, you know, guessing something, oh, you know, Mahesh sir, what is happening? Do you do that all the time?
He's always, Because, you know, I still get really affected by a lot of things. Like recently, everyone was talking how Isha Gupta is, you know, upset with the makers. And I was in Delhi at that time, so I have no idea what happened. And people are calling me and I'm reading it and I'm like, "Arey, ye kya ho gaya?" And I picked up the call and I said, Mahesh, sir, you know what has happened? And he's like, "Arey, you know how Mukesh is na? Usne aisi bola ki shayad Isha is upset, isliye nahi aayi." But the thing is, it just got picked. Like, I was upset by them actually and I couldn't come. So I'm like, oh, you know, so it takes me a while to realize that half of it just get picked in a different way. So, you know, now I've realized I've adapted to the fact that, okay, not take myself too seriously.
So, is Mahesh Bhatt your 4 a.m. friend? Seems like it.
I think, yeah. I think he's my 4 a.m. father. I think I have another father. I mean, till now I have that, I'm my father's daughter. I'm completely my daddy's daughter. And till now it happens if I call my dad at 5 a.m. and I'm upset or I'm in love or anything possible, my dad will pick up his call. He won't pick up my elder sister's call, but he'll always pick up my call.
Oh my God, competition in the family,
In the family. So that's how Mahesh sir has become to me. You know, I can message him anytime and I get a reply immediately.
What about Imran Hashmi? We believe you were like in awe of him when you started working with him for the first time.
You know, I've been a fan of his since I saw Zehar. And I remember I saw it on TV at that time. Until that time, all I knew is this kissing star, Imran Hashmi.
Serial kisser.
Serial kisser. And coming from Delhi, non-filmy background, the only thing we know is what we read in the papers or watch on TV or on your channel. That's why I was like, okay, you know, he's the star, but at least like, you know, I had this thing, maybe he'll be like arrogant or won't talk to me or get pissed that I'm giving so many retakes, but he was really adjusted.
Talking about, you know, stars, Bipasha's a very big star. So how do you handle all of that? 2 big stars in your second film.
I was really nervous for Raz, merely because of this reason, because not only did I have Imran, but I had Bipasha Basu as well. Bipasha Basu, I think the whole country recognizes her.
Yeah.
The amount of fan following she has.
She's one diva.
She's the hottest woman in our industry. You know, let's be honest. And it's not easy standing next to her. So I felt, as I said, I felt like a little midget or a goblet. Like I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how I will pull this off.
Wow.
I really felt really, I knew that I'm this, you know, it's like a screw, a watch screw. That one screw, if it's loose, your watch is gonna break. And that's exactly how I felt when Raaz happened for me. Because I was like, if something doesn't work in the movie and something I've done wrong, immediately that one part of mine, people are gonna pick, industry is gonna pick, audience gonna pick and be like, Isha ke wajah se ye nahi acha laga.
Tell me something. You think you have a dark side? You think we all have a dark side?
I think we all have a dark side.
And have you tapped yours?
Of course I have.
But do you believe in black magic?
Yes, I do.
You do?
I
Wow.
do. I mean, it's never happened to anyone around me, and I really hope it never happens. But I always feel if people do good for, they do good puja part and dan, you know, for their own good, I'm sure people do the same for their bad, like for others' bad.
But we believe that you saw Raaz and Jism when you were something like 16, right?
I was
Firstly,
really
tell me,
young
what
at
were
that
you
time.
watching adult movies then for? You know? Tell me that.
Okay, Raaz, I have to be honest, Raaz I wasn't allowed to watch.
Okay, you weren't allowed to watch.
I
Wow.
wasn't allowed because at that time, you know, Delhi we have this thing, yahan pe kids can go and watch the movie. Delhi we have this thing, Sunday to Sunday, it's a family time, go watch movie. Raaz I wasn't allowed because it was adult film because of the horror aspect and everything. Jism, I'm not really proud of it, of saying it, and I hope none of you do it, but I bunked school and me and my friends, we went and we watched Jism. I was, oh my God, I was taken aback when I saw her coming out of that white outfit from water, her side braid and looking, her sharp eyes. My God, you know, I think every woman at that moment was hating Bipasha Basu and every man was in love with Bipasha Basu. I really think because we all wanted to be like her and every man wanted her. You know, that's exactly how I feel and I still feel the same about
Did
her.
you somewhere in your head like model yourself and Bipasha while you were grooming yourself for the industry?
No, but I've always been a fan of hers, you know, because she, I feel, somehow comes from a very similar background than I do. Modeling, you know, no filmy, starts from modeling. She won Gladrex. I was from Miss India, then modeled a bit, you know, did few ads and then entered the film. And for me, what's a bigger achievement, I feel, it's kind of an honor when I think about it, that Raaz was her second film and Raaz is my second film.
So a very similar career path.
Yeah.
In Raaz, you're playing an upcoming actress, right?
Yeah.
And people are trying to pull you down because of competition. So you know similar things happen in the industry.
I've heard.
So how are you geared for that? Or have you faced any of that yet?
No, not yet, thank God. But I don't know actually how I'm gonna deal
Are you
with
competitive?
it. I'm competitive to the point where I'm okay till the time I'm not trying to harm anyone. I'll always have a competition where I see actresses like Deepika and Anushka and Parineeti, amazing actresses. But the reason I watch it is to learn what they have and I don't have. Like Deepika is beautiful, Cocktail was wonderful. That role was made for her.
Wow.
You know, like I saw it and I'm like, my God. Like for me, okay, I'm a big diehard fan of Kareena. So for me, everything Kareena does will be good. So I'll never say about Kareena and be like, and fight with people because I'm a little biased. But Anushka Sharma, she's mind-blowing. Everyone who asks me, new actress, it's Anushka Sharma. She's wonderful. But the reason for me, I say, oh, competition, though I'm not. I'm still junior work-wise to them. But because I see the confidence that they have on screen and the way they perform, their body language, that's the reason I find it a competition to learn more. But otherwise, I always believe in karma. I've always believed in karma. So I feel if I do wrong to someone, it's gonna definitely hit me.
I must say, going all out to praise all the actresses out there. They
love
must be really happy watching this interview.
Listen, you know, because for me, you have to realize, you know, we come from I come from an Air Force background. So for us, when we see, we never, and I've studied law. I was studying for law. So for me, it was, I would have never thought that I'll
Very
be...
different world.
You know, this is completely different. Never thought that, acha, ye dur tak bhi kabhi hoga. The only star I ever saw in my real life as a child was Salman Khan. My dad and I were traveling abroad and we were in the same launch and he entered and I saw him from a distance. That's the only actor I've ever seen in reality. And then immediately coming to Bombay. Okay, Bombay, we still get to see in your gym or somewhere or the other. but never like facing someone. And now that I have, I'm like, my God, I can't believe that someone I've been fan of, watched all their film, and now it's like, okay, life is happening.
Yeah. You know, for all actresses, Khans are like aspirational. Ek Khan movie to karna hai. So, you know, are you happy with your Hashmi or gunning for the Khans too?
I'm happy that, you know, Imran's been there, but I love Salman. I don't know who doesn't love Salman. Yeah. I really don't know.
He's a brand like no other.
And you know, he is who he is. That's what I love about him. Main ye hu, take it or leave it. And I love because everyone's ready to take him, you know. Yeah. Everyone's like, nahi, we'll take it.
Have you watched Jism 2?
No, I haven't.
Yeah. But do you think when you get an adult film star on, you know, onto Bollywood, it'll actually up the glam quotient, the sexuality quotient in our industry?
I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that because I think for me, I'm still more excited to see a Deepika in a bikini.
Just earlier you said that you're not the kind who needs a man in her life. So, is there a man in your life?
There isn't, but I'm definitely in love, I can tell you that.
Okay. Well, we'll keep that for later. Okay, now tell me, Isha, tell me the raz you know about the following people. Imran Hashmi.
Introvert, definitely, but a bullier. He is. He is. I think after he becomes friendly, then he's like, "Acha, chalo, ab kar sakte hain."
Abhay Deol.
Abhay Deol, very educative. I don't know. I mean, in the sense, like he reads a lot. He actually keeps reading a lot. We were surprised when we were discussing the list of books, and he just kept naming, and I was like, "My God, okay."
Need to catch up.
Yes.
Arjun Rampal.
DJ. He plays the most amazing music, and he mixes the music on himself.
Bipasha.
Very grounded. And eats a lot. It doesn't show. I don't know where it goes, but she eats a lot.
Okay, just to end the last question, one raz about Isha that no one knows.
I eat a lot as well.
On a better raz than that.
I already said I'm in love with a man. Yes, and that's not my father. Let me just clear it out before.
Now we could unearth this. Cool. Keep that for the next interview.
For the next
great talking to you, and
thank you so much,
for being
Madhurita. Thank you.
Hi, this is Supreet. Follow Zoom TV on Twitter and get Bollywood news and happenings 24/7. Just visit www.twitter.com/ZoomTV.